How's it going? So if you've been paying attention to my channel at all, you'll know that sewing is no longer just my hobby, it's my full-time job. And at work I use these awesome scissors, and maybe I'll do a video about these at some point. But I typically go between 2 and 4 different machines during a typical workday. And it's very common for me to leave these behind when I change machines and I have to go back and get them. So today I thought I'd make a Kydex sheath for my scissors so I can just keep them on me all the time while I'm at work. Check it out. Kydex is a thermoplastic material that can be heated, then molded around an object to take the object's shape. It's a great material for making sheaths and holsters. Kydex is pretty easy to work with. It can be cut in a number of ways. For straight cuts you can score it and snap it just like sheetrock. I heat my Kydex in a toaster oven that I use only for that purpose. The first piece that I heated for this project is a small piece to form the attachment for the belt clip I used. When heated, the Kydex becomes soft and pliable. It can then be molded around a form to take the desired shape. The foam I'm using is a special foam for forming Kydex and can be purchased from Kydex suppliers. There are presses designed to form Kydex, but for my purposes a board and some clamps works fine. After 10 minutes or so, the part is cooled and can be removed from the press. For really small straight cuts like this one, I find it easier to use a pair of pliers to break off the part after it's been scored. You can see how accurately the Kydex forms around the scissors. This not only looks cool, but will provide the needed retention for the sheath. I used snips to trim the edges even. Next, I drilled holes in which to install the eyelets. Eyelets fix the two pieces of the sheath together and provide holes for mounting attachments. I like to deburr the holes before I install my eyelets. Then I used my belt sander to do the final shaping and smoothing. I wanted my scissors to be held securely in the sheath, but also to be easily reinserted with one hand. So I used my heat gun to soften the mouth of the sheath so I could widen the opening by hand. So that's my tactical Kydex scissor sheath thing. I used a Blade Tech mini tech lock for the belt loop. I just happen to have one, so that's why I used it. But yeah, hopefully this will keep me from leaving my scissors behind every time I go to a different sewing machine. Plus, it looks really cool. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.